Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to fix your computer is low on memory error using Gpedit.msc. Click Start button, Control Panel. Click System. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Advanced tab. Click Advanced tab. Click Change. Check System Managed Size. Click Set, OK. Click Restart now. Second step is type Gpedit.msc in search bar. Click Administrative Templates. Click System. Click Troubleshooting and Diagnostics. Click Windows Resource Exhaustion Detection and Resolution. Double-click Configure Scenario Execution Level. Click Disabled, Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.